In the realm of luxury transportation, where opulence meets innovation, a diverse array of limousine redefine the very concept of luxury on wheels. Let's embark on a journey through the fascinating world of these extraordinary vehicles. First up, we have the Colossus Limousine, a true mobile party sensation. Originally robust diesel truck, the Colossus was transformed by the team at the biggest limo in Los Angeles into a VIP club on wheels. With its impressive 40 feet length, this limousine is not only spacious but also an entertainment hub, equipped with 11 plasma TVs, including a giant 52-inch screen, a full pioneer of DJ station, and a powerful 8,000-watt sound system. It promises an unforgettable experience for the party crowd. Next, we have the Corvette limo, a fusion of speed, icon, and luxury. This 23-foot-long marvel turns heads at gala events and birthday parties alike. Imagine gliding through the city with 14 friends, neon flashing on the roof, and cold drinks at your fingertips from the built-in mini fridge. The leather seats embossed with the Corvette logo add a touch of style to this unique chariot, making it a perfect cross between a midlife crisis and a teenage dream. Now let's turn our attention to the Ferrari Limo, a gem of automotive world. The beauty not only takes you around in style but also accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds. Converted from Ferrari 360 Modena, this marvel exudes elegance and speed. Despite its modest seating for 8 people and lack of amenities like mini fridge, the Ferrari limo commands attention wherever it goes. Moving on to the Big Blue limo, a mobile work of art that redefines luxury and fun on wheels. With the capacity to seat up to 45 people comfortably, this limousine offers a generous space for dancing and socializing. Its interior features a disco dance floor, create rooms and lights for small neon, ensuring the perfect party on the move. The Big Blue limo is an unforgettable experience that raises the bar for sophistication and fun. Now let's explore the Midnight Rider, a true colossus of the roads that redefines luxury on the move. With its impressive 25 tons and 70-foot length, the Midnight Rider stands out for its size and opulence, accommodating up to 39 friends. This giant offers a smooth and memorable ride on its 22 tires, inspired by the 1870s train carriages. Its interior boasts polished brass finishes, velvet curtains, and woodwork, creating an ambitious opulence and elegance. With 3 lounges and fully bar, the Midnight Rider promises a luxurious experience for just $25 per hour. Next, we have the Boeing 727 Jet Limo, offering the style and opulence of private jet on the streets. Created from an innovative mix of Mercedes SUV and parts of Boeing 727, this limousine features a lower dance floor, disco ball, and smoke machine, comfortably seating 50 people. With a fully equipped bar and suite complete with a heart-shaped bed and fireplace, the Boeing 727 Jet Limo offers an unparalleled experience for those seeking unforgettable parties. Finally, let's delve into the American Dream, the limousine of records. With its impressive 100-foot length, this vehicle is a true spectacle on wheels. Equipped with a luxurious beyond imagination, including an indoor swimming pool, a jacuzzi, and even a king-size bed, the American Dream offers a level of extravagance that knows no bounds. What truly sets it apart is the working helipad at the top, symbolizing boundless creativity and luxury.
Classen is modified from the Land Rover Sentinel armored vehicle by a German company.
Each promising unforgettable moments and setting new standard for sophistication and fun. Whether it's a mobile party sensation, a fusion of speed and luxury, or a true spectacle on wheels, these limousines redefine the very concept of luxury transportation, leaving a lasting impression on all who have the privilege of riding in them. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gave you some knowledge about cars, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Thank you.